Hey there everyone, Ramesh here, back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into Microsoft Word using 3 different ways. The first way is using a Microsoft Word itself. Second way is using Google Docs. Third way is using online free tool. So let us begin with a simple one. So here on my desktop, I have a PDF file and I'm going to convert this PDF file into Microsoft Word. So let us begin with the simple one. So go to the PDF file over here, right click on it and just choose open with, and here just search for Microsoft Word. If it is not available, click on the choose another app option over here, and here just search for Word and you can see the Microsoft Word. So just click on it and go ahead and click on just once. Just wait a second and here you can see the pop-up. Word will be now converted into PDF into editable Word document. This may take a while. Okay, no problem. Just go ahead and click on OK. Just wait a second. And there we go. You can see the PDF file is successfully converted into Microsoft Word. And it is still not editable because in order to enable the editing, go ahead and click on this enable editing button. And just click on OK. That's it. Now we have successfully converted a PDF file into Microsoft Word. Next, you can go ahead and edit this content. Alright, and if you look at over here, if I scroll down, you can see tables are successfully converted into a Microsoft Word. And if I scroll down here, you can see diagrams also successfully converted from PDF into Microsoft Word. This is awesome, right? There is no format issue. All the content is successfully converted from PDF into Microsoft Word. So this is the simplest way to convert PDF into Microsoft Word. The second way is using Google Docs. So in order to open the PDF file into Google Docs, we have to first upload that PDF file into Google Drive. So here I have opened the Google Drive over here. Next, in order to upload the file, just click on New and then File Upload. Next, choose the PDF file. So in my case, the PDF file is present at a desktop. So here I am going to just search for PDF file over here and just open the PDF file. And notice here the PDF file is uploaded successfully. Next, let me refresh once. And here you can see the PDF file is present in a Google Drive. Next, let us open this PDF file into Google Docs. So in order to do that, just right click on it and then open with Google Docs. Just wait a second, it will take some moment. And notice here the PDF file is successfully converted into Google Docs. Next, in order to convert this Google Docs into Microsoft Word, you can just export it. So go to the file and here choose download and then click on Microsoft Word. And there you can see the Microsoft Word file is successfully downloaded. The third way is we can use the online free tool. For example, here you can see adobe.com. So this is the online tool that we can use to convert PDF to Word. So here just select the PDF file and it will convert that PDF into Word. For example, just click on select file and choose the PDF file, and it will take some time to convert the PDF into Word. Just wait a second. That's it. Next, go ahead and click on this download button to download the file. And there we go. So download is completed. Next, go ahead and click on this file and there we go. You can see the file is opened in a Microsoft Word. Next, if you want to edit it, you can just click on this enable editing. That's it. Next, you can go ahead and edit the content. Alright, so these are the simple ways to convert a PDF file into Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, great. I will see you in the next one.